The first one of the day. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're gonna be doing this for the first time. And I got the knee pads. You know what I'm saying? I'm protected. Action mode right here. Let's check the angle. And then, so you pull this thing here as tight as you can. You know, it's been a while since I've done this, so. Oh shit, the rainbow flag. Am I gonna get gay? I just got it right like this, right in the middle. You're fine. Floor's lava. I mean, the floor's gay. Just kidding. I'm glad they don't have any cars here on this. Ooh. And I can do some push-ups on the spot. Okay. Oh, wait. Is this mint? I wonder if I can go on the grass. Getting into it. The first one of the day. I was waiting for it.
Did we cause it?
No, the hill did. But you guys are my witnesses.